So, I think this will end everyone's troubles in the United States of America will be to leave before lightning strike the Hoover Dam, splitting San Andreas fault line and plummeting the U.S. into the ocean. A freak accident is going to occur in its evolving nature. Pacific Ocean Ring of Fire, it's 1,500 volcanoes that are known, although I think there's a total of 2,000 that's unknown within the U.S. and globally. It's just basically a crack in the United States of America. It needs to be fixed, or everyone needs to leave. Interstate 66, U.S. other countries is a great idea.